Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an GFG, which is BFS of graph. You have to, BFS is basically breadth for search. You have to start from the, means it is a BFS basically a level order traversal. You just have to print the levels of the binary tree. Okay, let's do this. First you have to create a queue. First you have to create a queue of int and q, and then you just have to push the q dot push the 0th element, which is the root, and int n equals to adjacent dot size, which is the adjacency vector is given, and then you just have to create a vector int visited, which is n size and initially 0, and then mark the viz of 0 is equals to 1, and then traverse through the queue while queue is not empty. You just have to traverse it. Okay, queue is not empty, then int x equals to q dot front, which is the front of an element, and then you just have to do the answer dot pushback x. Okay, answer, and after this you just have to do q dot pop, and again you just have to traverse for auto it in adjacent of x, then you just have to if not visited of it, then viz of it is equals to 1, and again you just have to push back the it also, q dot push it, and after this ending of this loop, then you just have to return the answer. Okay, let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. It's take too much time. There is an auto nahi, it's auto and answer dot pushback, where is, I guess I don't create the vector answer. Are chup. Let's again run this. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.